Prostate has long been the most trusted supplement for men's prostate health. Over 5 million bottles have shipped in the last 10 years, and it continues to be a national bestseller. Prostate's outstanding formula supports prostate health with saw palmetto, which works to nourish this vital organ together with lycopene, the remarkably potent antioxidant that fights free radical damage. Reinforced by herbs, amino acids and vitamins, Prostate has emerged as the premier natural prostate health formula. Get the prostate relief and support you deserve in 3 simple steps. 1. Take 2 Prostate soft gels once per day with food. 2. Its exclusive flow enhancement complex works to support urinary flow to reduce the frequency of trips to the bathroom. 3. Helps maintain a normal prostate size, supporting your prostate health so you can live the comfortable life you deserve. Prostate's exclusive proprietary blends work to provide unrivaled prostate support. It's natural and it's safe. Click the link in the description for your